Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have November's Zenpop box unboxing video for you. I love this. It's I can't even remember the name of the character, but they're like doing crafting and I'm so confused. There has to be some typo, right? You can see it. This says November and then it's October, but I'm pretty sure it's November because I've already done the October unboxing, and it's also, there's 11 here, so I'm pretty sure this is November and that was just a typo. Anyways, here's the QR code in case you want to follow along at home. Alright, so we've got some pens. Is this a decoration crayon? Anyways, anything to do with writing, I think I'm going to put aside to try later. Yeah, this is a crayon, so I'll try that at the end of the video. You guys know the drill. And let's get through some of the items in the box. So this is petite cutter. Oh, right. Okay. They're kind of like bobbins, and you put your washi tape on them, and then they have like a little cutter here. Plastic, so it's not too sharp or anything, but it's cute. You can put like probably nothing too big, but you've got 3 of them. All slightly, look slightly different. Are they slightly different? No, they're all the same. They're exactly the same. I'm getting confused. Alright, so yes, they're exactly the same, but very cute and functional if you have washi tape that you use very often. And here's some washi tape now. I just had to kind of look to the side to see that they actually did include some washi tape. So, if I can get this out without ripping everything apart, which unfortunately I'm not as elegant, so I am ripping everything apart. But here we go. Okay, let's actually put this together because I think this would be really useful. It's so cute because they do remind me of... Now, I don't know the correct terminology. I used to be so huge into cosplay. I actually do have a website called Fable.com. If you want to check out my old costumes, I would still love to do cosplay, but I'm really not sure how that's going to fit now that I have a baby and I don't have the same amount of time that I used to, but it's still something I would like to do maybe one day. I definitely would like to sew all my baby's costumes though, so that's a skill I'd like to invest more in. But you put this in here. I think this is the right way? No, it's this way. Okay. They kind of force you to go a certain way, but I feel like... Oh no, am I crazy? Okay. Let's see. I feel like the tape should come out this way instead of this way, but maybe I'm wrong. Like that? It feels not quite right, but it won't fit in the other way, so it is pretty much the only way. Okay. I still feel like maybe it made sense that way. Oh no, this makes sense. Okay. Yep, so that's how you install the tape. That's so cute. I'll just quickly do it for the others. And there we have it, all 3 installed. Very, very adorable. I can't wait to actually start using all of this. They're almost Christmas themed. I don't think they're intentionally Christmas themed, but they look a little bit Christmas themed, so they'll be great for wrapping up lots of presents, which I have lots of presents to wrap up this year. So the next one is this nail clipper. I am not the biggest fan of these types of nail clippers, because there's nothing to like hold the nail clippings, so you kind of have to use these over a bin, which is not like the worst thing in the world, but I kind of like the fact that when I'm clipping my nails, see, there's like nothing, it's all open, so when you do clip your nails, they just fall down. Whoops. So yeah, in that sense, not my most favorite, but I'm still going to keep it because I only have 1 set of nail clippers. You'd think I'd have more since I really was into nail polish for a long time there, but yep, I only have 1, and so it's just nice to have a backup. And then you've got your nail filer component there. Then we have some stickers, autumn themed stickers, which makes sense because it is autumn in the Northern Hemisphere. These seem to be like washi paper type stickers, so these will lie really flat and not add much bulk to your planner. And then we have some post-it notes, like some transparent like post-it notes, very floral. I love the theme. Oh wow, look at this. This is an eraser. It just caught my eye because I saw this part and I'm like, oh, long flat eraser. I don't know why I thought maybe it was like a pen eraser, but no, it's literally an eraser that is a really long and flat. I guess it is exactly what it says. Okay, there is a plastic sleeve. I was wondering if it was going to be just totally exposed, because if you put it in a pencil case, it gets scuffed up over time. But I do like that it is, there's this plastic wrapper around it, and so there's the tips exposed, and so you can use it this way. I mean, I love this. It's like a very unique like way to do it, but I still prefer just having it like this. So I usually carry my erasers, especially in my pencil cases like this, because they just sit like a normal pen and they're very easy to use, and you can like easy to eject, like I don't know, dispense more out, that's the term. Refill, just very functional. I guess as you use it, you have to pull it up, but then you'll have to like maybe just clip the bottom so that you don't let it keep sinking down. I have no idea. I still appreciate the idea. It's kind of cute. It's very quirky. Then we have some cards and envelope. Oh, here we go. Here's the designs that you can see. Cards and envelope. I'm not quite sure what I'd use these for, because they don't have any like occasion associated to them, but they're very pretty, the designs. And then the last thing we have here, landscape letter set. Oh, that's strange. Usually they don't have like two like letters and then cards, but I guess that is what it is today. It's cute. Yeah, you kind of fold it up like this. And you guys know that I mostly try to use these more for decorating, like in my travel planners or just any ephemera that I need. I'd usually pull it from these guys, because I don't really write letters or cards, but they always come up with really cute, unique designs. Alright, so that's everything in the box. Let's go try out those pens. So the first one we're trying out is the Zebra Click Art. I'm pretty sure, like I have a bunch of Zebra Click Arts, and I'm pretty sure I'll have this color, although I can't be certain, so I'll have to check it out later. But I know that I love these Click Art pens, or markers rather. They're just so easy to use, they're so convenient. I like that they don't have a lid, they just like literally click and they don't dry out, so it's perfect. I love them so much. This one I am not quite sure, so I'm going to open this up. It looks like it's a crayon on the inside, like a square crayon potentially. Yeah. Okay. It looks almost like an eraser, but it's a crayon from what I can tell. Oh my gosh, it is literally a crayon, and you can draw flat or you can write to the side. It's I don't know what I'd use this for, but it's kind of cool. Like, you can't control the color necessarily because it's all marbled in like blue and yellow. Maybe if you just wanted some design inspo, I don't know. But yeah, not the most practical, functional, but it is kind of quirky and cool. I mean, that's pretty much why I like buying these boxes, because they expose me to a lot of things that I normally wouldn't pick up. And this is actually from Midori, so the travel notebook company. It's kind of part of that ensemble. So yeah, that is pretty much everything in the November Zenpop box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.